Hi everyone, Xmas Dolly here. Guess what I got in the mail today? I have some Moderna 8 double wall thermal glasses, 8 full ounces, and oh, there they are. Check them out. Oh, there's my favorite, margaritas. I think that's kind of why I said, oh yeah, I'll do that. Okay, so we're going to be surprised together. This is what they look like, all wrapped up. and here I go, giving you a free shelf. Check that beauty out. Is that not cool? It looks like, that's cool. It looks like a glass within a glass. But it's not. It's just one glass. That is totally cool. A glass within a glass. There's the bottom. A glass within a glass. Oh, that is cute. Let's just, oh, and you know what that says? I don't know if you could see it. I'm going to make you see it, though. Maybe that'll work. Ozuri. O-Z-E-R-I. Ozuri.com. We love Ozuri in this house. I have Ozuri scales. I have Ozuri frying pans. And we love Ozuri. You should love Ozuri too. So aren't those cool? I am saving these for guests. Glass within a glass. I'm going to have to wash them all first, of course. You see, I have... Want to see my dishwasher? How you like them? This is This is the left side of my dishwasher. This is the right side of my dishwasher. I have a very tiny kitchen. Anyway, it's a walk-in kitchen. There you go. 8 glasses by Ozuri. 8 double wall thermal glasses. Well, there you go. That's why it's a glass within a glass. And look at that. Oh, I can just see some amaretto on ice. I hate lemons. At least not in there. Lemonade. It's good. What's that? Oh, that looks like some hot coffee, maybe. I don't know. Coffee drink? That looks like tea? We all know what that is. Love those things, yes. Margaritas. Okay, so there we go. This is Moderna. Oh, here's a little bit more info. Okay. This is made of heat and shatter resistance borosilicate glass. Thumb notch dimples for comfortable and easy gripping. Dimples. I like that. Dimples. You want to see mine? I have one. It's right there. You like it? That's enough. I'll get back to the glasses. Okay, so we are back with the glasses. Thumb notch dimples for comfortable and easy gripping. See the thumb? There you go. Double wall design keeps hands cool with hot drinks. Stronger and more durable than common glass. It needs to be in this house. Yeah, I get all thumbs sometimes. Okay, and okay, and Ozuri. Yes, we love Ozuri. Okay, so there you go. Oh, there's Ozuri again. Check it out. It's everywhere. Okay, so I really like these. I'm going to have to make me some margaritas real soon. Okay, love the glasses. Hope you love them too. We'll have a little bit more in our post, maybe another picture or something. And hope you like the vlog. Y'all have a good evening.